Hi everyone, once again this is Hannah and let's proceed with the next topic. We are located here at Faridun Learning Center, 106-1, Dushanbe, Tajikistan. The next topic is about verbs, okay? Mr. Joshua always tells us that verbs are action words. Did Joshua tell you this? Yes, okay? Verbs are action words. Feълҳо, amali harakatho, hastan. Yo fel, harakatho, mefamonad. Yo nishon medihad. So when we talk about verbs, they are actually divided into many categories. We have action words, or our amalho, and we have auxiliary verbs, we have modal verbs, and we also have phrasal verbs. But for now, we just focus here and here. So action words, these are the actual things that we do every day. Cook, sleep, walk, talk, and others. Lailo. Again, action words, these are the things that we do every day. Auxiliary verbs, from the word auxiliary. Auxiliary means accessory, or a thing that supports something, a thing that supports someone. So auxiliary verbs are just helping verbs. So, what are the auxiliary verbs? They are am, is, are, do, does, did, have, has, had, what else? Didn't, has, haven't, hasn't, and so on. Again, these are just helping verbs. For action words, I've said these are the things that we do always, and modal verbs are can, could, will, shall, should, might, and others. And this is pre-intermediate topic. This is also pre-intermediate topic. So here, we just focus here and here. So for action words, they are divided into two. We have the regular verbs and irregular verbs. So for regular verbs, we add d, ed, and ied in the past. For irregular verbs, we change form. Maksad. Talk, talked. Cook, cooked. Walk, walked. Understood? But here, they change their form. Buy, bought, bought. See, saw, seen. What else? Teach, taught, taught, and others. Understood? Bahrom, repeat everything what I said. Patrick.
فعل های اکشن انجام میشوند. اول فعل خودی فعل عمل رو که حرکت رو میکنند و با action words, auxiliary verbs و modal و phrasal verbs داریم که فعل های مقدمه مدلی و فعل های irrigation و فعل های حرکت و عمل رو استفاده میکنند.
Very good.
Auxiliary verbs فعل های irrigation میشن که am, is, are هست یعنی هستن do, does, did و have, has, ever, had, didn't, wrote.
Very good. Next, Kurt, English.
Okay. There are a lot of different types of verbs, like action verbs, auxiliary verbs, modal verbs, others. So auxiliary verbs is for helping verbs, like it supports the words, and the action is like what we do in our everyday life, like drinking, walking, something like that. So regular verbs is something that
Ed. ED.
Something that we do, like we already did.
Mm-hmm.
Something like, I ate. No, sorry. I cooked dinner
Mm-hmm.
last night, and the regular verse is like I bought food for my family
Very good.
yesterday.
Good job. Clap your hands for her. So this is the summary of the topic about verbs. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, please do support Faridun Learning Center, Oxford British and Saman School, and of course, Hamadon Private Gymnasium.
20 minutes later.
Let's proceed with the next topic, articles. So for articles, we have a, an, and the. So a and an, these are indefinite articles. Again, a and an are indefinite articles, and the is definite article. A and an means one. An apple, one apple. A book, one book. Understood? A and an means one, and they are indefinite article. Article no mo ayan. Article that is definite. Look. A book, indefinite. No mo ayan, Lilo. No mo ayan. What kind of book? What color of book? Which subject this book is? We don't know. But we say the book of William Shakespeare. Here, no mo ayan, indefinite. Why? We don't know which book. But here, the book of William Shakespeare. It is sure that we know what kind of book is it. Did you understand? Another example. An apple. Do we know what color of apple is it?
No.
From which country is it? No. The Fuji apple. Here, we exactly know what kind of apple is this. It's Fuji apple, my mom's favorite kind of apple. Another example, a phone. Do we know what kind of phone? No. The iPhone. Here, we are sure that this is the Apple iPhone that Steve Jobs built. Understood? For article the, we use it for a lot of situations. Listen, we use the article the for ordinal numbers, for superlative adjectives, for unique things, dadyahon yakta, the earth, the sun, the moon, and others. We also use article the for names of hotels, rivers, theaters, cinemas, and musical instruments. Again, we use the article the for the names of ordinal numbers, superlative adjectives, unique things, hotels, rivers, theaters, cinemas, and musical instruments. Understood? Again, indefinite and definite articles, a and the. A and n means one. Article the if we know exactly what thing is it. Understood? Okay. Thank you so much for watching. Once again, this is Hannah. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification button for more upcoming videos. Please support Faridun Learning Center, Saman School, British School, and Oxford Learning Center.